Morning reception, welcome back to your set 1 phonics. Okay, let's start off with our speed sounds then. T, s, a, d. Well done, we've got quite a lot there, haven't we? Let's try it again. Ready? A, t, d, s. Well done, reception. Did you spot our new sound from yesterday? Can you remember what it was? That's it. It was t. Can you try it with me? T. T. And the picture was of a tower. Let's quickly practice our flip game then. Well done, good remembering from yesterday. Okay, we've got another new sound to learn today. And our new sound is I. I, I, I. I, I, I. I. Fantastic. And our picture today is of a I insect. Can you say I insect? I insect. 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 Brilliant. Okay, we're going to practice the flip game with this one then. Are you ready? Well done. Okay. Another game we're going to quickly play is I'm going to hide I with all the other sounds that we know. And when we get to I, you have to shout and point and say I. Are you ready? T, a, d, I. Fantastic. Let's try it one more time. In it goes. D, s, t, I. Well done, reception. Okay, now we're going to practice writing the I sound. Oh, no, we're going to do our words first. So, I wonder what words begin with our I sound. We've already had insect, but I've also got a picture of it looks like a party invitation. Can you say invitation? Invitation. Well done. I also have a picture of some musical instruments. Can you say instrument? Instrument. Well done. Let's just quickly practice those words together again. Invitation, instrument, insect. Well done. Okay, now we're going to move on to our writing part. So let's look back at our picture of our insect. Listen carefully to the rhyme. I'm going to use my magic finger first. Up we go, down the body, dot for the head. Can you try it with me? Ready? Up we go, down the body, dot for the head. I'm going to show you how to write it now. Watch and listen. Up we go, down the body, dot for the head. Can you say the rhyme with me this time? Up we go, down the body, dot for the head. This time, can you say the rhyme on your own? I'm not going to help you. Well done. Pause the video here and have a practice at doing I on your own at home. Okay, we're going to move on to our green words now. So remember, we're going to use our thread fingers first, then nod it, and then say them at speed. Okay. You ready for the first one? It. What does that say? Let's try it again. It. It. try another one. Ready? S, it. That's quite a tricky one. Listen again. S, it. Sit. Well done. This time we're going to nod it in our heads. Are you ready? Sit. It. Brilliant. Okay, time for our speed sounds. So remember, I shouldn't hear you sounding out loud. You've got to read it quite quickly in your head and then say the word when I push the green word forward. Are you ready? It. Sit. Well done. Let's see if you can do it even quicker this time. Sit. It. Wow, reception. Give yourselves a pat on the back. That was really good work. Okay, we're now going to move on to our red words that we looked at yesterday. Can you remember what this one was? The. And we had I. Well done. Let's just practice those again. The. And I. Well done. We'll pop those up there. Okay. Now I wonder which one of these red words is the. Listen again. Which one is the? See if you can pause the video. Maybe you want to have a go at writing it, or you can just point to the screen to show me the answer. Okay, so we were looking for the. Which one's the? You're right, it's this one. T-H-E, the. Remember, I'm saying letter names because we can't Fred a red. We can't sound it out loud. Okay, this time, I want you to find I. Which one is I? Can you pause the video and find it and have a go at writing it? Okay, so we were looking for I this time. Did you find it? It's this one here. It's got the letter I. Well done, reception. You worked really hard today, and I'll see you again tomorrow.